Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Ford F150 in Forza Horizon 5. To begin, head over to the auto show in the game. Here, you can usually find the standard Ford F150 models available for purchase using your in-game credits. Keep an eye on the seasonal events as well. These often offer exclusive or rare F150 variants as rewards for completing specific challenges. It's a great way to expand your truck collection. Beyond the standard models, Forza Horizon 5 features exciting variants like the F150 Raptor R and the F150 Lightning. These specialized trucks might appear in the Forzathon shop, which updates its inventory regularly, so check back often. You can also frequently find these unique F150s listed by other players in the auction house, offering another path to acquire them for your garage. The auction house is a fantastic resource for finding specific F150 models, including rare ones. Browse listings, compare prices, and place your bids carefully to outmaneuver other players. Additionally, if you own the car pass, keep an eye on its content updates. New Ford F150 models are occasionally included as part of the pass, giving you instant access to fresh vehicles. Once you have your Ford F150, the real fun begins with customization. Head to the garage to apply performance upgrades, tune its handling, and design unique liveries to make it truly yours. Then, take your customized F150 out to conquer the diverse landscapes of Mexico, from sandy deserts to lush jungles. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Enjoy your ride.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.